Alright guys, we got another video for you. This video is going to be going over the hurt animation that I discovered I didn't show you guys online yet. I have a function here called hurt. I'm on my alien character here. If you open up the character script, he's got a function for hurt. And then it says damage player play hurt. And over here on the left hand side you can see that I've added a second animation player. So my original animation player, I just called animation player, it plays the walk animation, it plays the attack animation, it plays the idle. So as I'm looking at this, let me turn these on. If I push idle here, you'll see that my character just idles up and then down. This is the animation length, about 1.5 seconds. So it animates idle up and down. And then if I do the walk animation, this is what it looks like. Him walking. That foot kind of hangs up in the air. I got to get it to where it goes back, so I think I just got to move that over a little bit. Let me see if I could do that. 0.01. What does that do? No, not quite. Anyway, so this animation player plays all of the different movements my character can make. Additionally, he does power attack. Now, I've added a second animation player. This second animation player, I renamed it and I called it the damage player. And what it does is it plays, this animation player plays separate, and it only plays, or is only going to play, when my character takes some damage. So when my character takes some damage, I'm going to make the damage player play the animation hurt. Let me take a look here. Let's see. I have a button. I don't remember what button it is. Let's see. I think it's death. So Q. Alright, so the reason why I am doing that is when my player is walking, I want him to be able to get damaged. I want him to be able to take damage without messing up his walk or his idle or his attack. I want to be able to play the hurt animation. So what you need to do is, in order to make this work, you're going to need to create a second animation player. The reason why I'm making a second one is this one is not going to interfere with the movement animation player, and it's going to make it where I can play that flashing animation at any point in time should my character take damage. Under the hurt animation, what I did is I took all the parts of my character, his arm, his hands, his foot, his hammer, all that stuff, and I made a flash for each one of these. I made it flash to red and then white, so it looks like he's getting hit or he's taking some damage. Now, your example of how damage might take place could be different. What I did is I created the damage player. I created an animation, so animation new, and I called it hurt. And what I did for each one of these is I went to visibility and I modulated the color. So at the start it goes from normal color, then it goes to red, back to normal color, back to red, normal color, red, normal color. Alright, so you are going to want to make a hurt animation, some type of hurt animation, just like this. So create the damage player, the animation, and do some type of color flash. Alright, continuing on. Last video, we created this damage function here. So when we take damage, we take our health, we subtract the amount of damage, and then we do set health to what it was, to this right here. So whatever your health is currently at. It takes the health, subtracts the damage, and then changes that number. Additionally, we want to play the hurt animation. So I'm going to grab this hurt and I'll put it in here. So this is function hurt, and it goes to the damage player and it plays the hurt animation. Alright, let's give this a shot and see if this helps us with our hurt animation. So if I walk into it, I take damage. You can see that my character has taken some damage. It shows that his color flashes red, like he got hit by something. Perfect. Alright, I know that was a short video, but really it was just trying to fill in the gaps. This is something we did in class. We created the hurt animation, and I think you have everything you need to fill that in. Let me zoom out just a little bit. So I think you have everything you need right here to create your own hurt animation and put it into the damage player. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.